Hello team, I'm back again with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create an Xpress bank account with the Ecobank mobile app instantly. With this method, you don't need any regular bank account with Ecobank. All you need is a phone, the Ecobank app. You need to download that from your Play Store or your App Store. You need your Ghana Post address, your GPS address, your Ghana card, and your personal info that you use to fill any other form. Okay, just your name, your email, your mobile number, your date of birth, and your address, basically. All right, so if you have this stuff, you are good to go. And let's begin. The very first step is to download the mobile app. I know you have a phone, so yeah, you want to get the mobile app from your Play Store or your App Store. I'm using an iPhone, so this is a Play Store. This is a Play Store, and you can see how it looks. So I'm going to go to the search area and search for Ecobank app. Okay, so I have some suggestions here. It says Ecobank mobile app. I'm going to choose that, and you should be looking out for this result. Okay, you should be looking out for Ecobank mobile app, this particular one, the very first results with this logo. Okay, so I'm going to download it. So I'm going to skip this part and continue with the next step. I believe by now you are done downloading the app. So the next thing you want to do is open the app. Open it. I don't know about Android, but this is how it looks on iPhone. Okay, I'm using an iPhone. So the next step is click on get started. And it brings you here. You have two options, the green and then the one below the green that says no, I'm new to Ecobank. That's the option you want to go in for. I'm new to Ecobank. Alright, you wait for it to load. It brings you here. It says activate app. Okay, it comes with a form, and the very first option, you want to open it up. Okay, you want to select your country, open it up. Select the country in which you are. I'm in Ghana. I don't know which part of the world you are. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to choose Ghana. I'm going to choose Ghana. And you have to put in a valid number, okay? This part I'm going to skip and go to the next part because I don't want you to see my number. You already have the country code. So with this, make sure you're not putting any zero. So for instance, if your number is a Vodafone number, this thing I'm saying is for Ghanaians, okay? If your number is a Vodafone number, you don't put in 020. You just skip the very first 0 and put in 0 because you already have the country code. If you put in the first 0, you will not be able to register for your credit card and other features, okay? Because it's global, it goes international. So you don't want to put in any 0. If it's MTN, you don't start with 054, just do it 54 and proceed with the rest of the numbers. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to skip to the next part. So after inputting your number, it brings you to bank with Ecobank. Okay, so with this, you want to go in for the very first option. Okay, it says open an Ecobank account. This time we are going in for the green. Okay, the very first option. So click on that, and it brings you here. Okay, it brings you to open an account. You are going in for the very first option again, Xpress Account. Okay, it's an instant digital account. You don't want to go in for the savings account. So the very first option, Xpress Account, that is what we are creating. So now it brings me here, and I have to enter a verification code that was sent to my phone number. So I'm going to input the verification code and skip to the next step. So it brings you here, and this time it's asking for your personal info. So you want to fill this form out. So I'm going to skip this part as well. Now it brings me here, and this is another form. I have to fill out my identification with my ID card number, the issue date, expiry date, and I think the account will be open in Ghana cedis. That's the only option we have. I wish we had another option to open the account in dollars, but there's nothing like that. So, and your home address. Okay, so you want to fill out this form, and we'll meet in the next step. So the next step is here. It says successfully fetched account, and I'm supposed to enter my 6-digit PIN, and I'm also going to skip this part. The next step is security questions. I know you can go about this, so I wouldn't have to worry myself. Just fill out the form and you're good to go. The next thing is here. You want to skip this one too, so skip. We are done with the account, and I just want to highlight some of the benefits you get from using the Xpress account. Okay, so the very first thing is that you can deposit using your Momo. You don't have to go to any Ecobank branch. You don't have to go to any agents. You can just sit home and deposit into your account using your Momo. Okay, but some of these benefits, you have to wait for your account to be 24 hours old after registration. So when you finish with the account, just wait for your account to be 24 hours old. Okay, just wait after 24 hours, then you start depositing and stuff else. It's not going to work. And I'm going to do tutorials on all these benefits. So you want to subscribe, like, and share, and put your notification on to get notified when I post any video on my channel. So the second thing is the virtual card. Okay, the virtual credit card. Trust me, it helps. I have used it to register for free Spotify. I have free Spotify for I think 30 days, and free Showmax for 14 days, and a few. I've boosted my Facebook ads with that. I think it was 9 CDs and a whole lot. And I'm about to create my Netflix with it. So I'll do a video on all this stuff, and you see, you can use it to get a whole lot of free trial. So you want to do that. Okay, all you need is to put about 40 CD or 50 CD in your account and top it up on your credit card, and you create your instant virtual card. And you can withdraw money as well from any Ecobank ATM. Okay, the money in your account can only be withdrawn from the ATM or the agents. Okay, so you generate a token and you go to your ATM, any Ecobank ATM, you put a token in there and you get your money. I'm going to do a video on that as well. You can send and receive money from other Xpress accounts for free. Okay, that's classic. I'm going to do a video on that too. You can send and receive money from other banks. Okay, so you have a lot of features on there. The Xpress Cash, Ecobank, a lot of stuff. You can send money to your Momo, get money from your Momo. You can send money to other Momo accounts, and a whole lot. And what's nice about it is the virtual card. You can sit home and manage your own credit card. You can get your credit card instantly after you are done with the creation of the account. So you wanna watch out for all these tutorials. It's gonna come in a bit. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.